Hello everyone, welcome to Forex Trading Institute, and so I'm right here to update you about the recent analysis I did on EUR/USD. Okay, so this is EUR/USD chart, and if you look at my most recent video on YouTube, you will notice it was this analysis I did, and it eventually played out. Remember, I spoke about not being interested. I wasn't really interested in trading this zone. Price was at this zone, so I didn't find it interesting for me to trade, the market at that time. That was last week. Yeah, that was last week. And funny enough, I've had a lot of things happening in the market. A whole lot of stop losses was hit during that period, and I wasn't having much confidence in trading the market when price was at this region here. Okay, so you could see the chart is on 4 hours time frame, and obviously it means it is a whole lot of activities that actually took place at this very point here. Okay, so that's by the way. And I was more interested. I spoke about this very trend line. I spoke a lot about this trend line. I said this trend line is giving me a much concern regarding to price, next direction. So my analysis was so much on EUR being strong and US dollar getting weaker. Okay, so US dollar last week, obviously, based on my analysis, I stated that the US dollar will be so weak. How was I able to come to the understanding that US dollar is going to be weak in the market? It's very simple. Okay, so if you want to know the performance of the USD dollar, which is the USD rather, I would advise you always check DXY. Okay, you always do your DXY analysis, that's dollar index, to see the bias, obviously. So on that, on DXY. So that was what I did. I analyzed DXY, and obviously DXY is going to be bearish, and I knew for sure that the dollar is going to be so weak in the market, and that was why I was more interested in seeing price break. And you could see, my speculation was price to come to this very resistance here, and it eventually played out. Okay, so well, it has played out, and my fingers are crossed. I'm not expecting anything at the moment. So I will redo my analysis if we're still coming to this very resistance here, or we're dropping here. But this video is basically to give you a feedback update regarding to what I speculated, and it played out. Okay, so if you're having doubt, you can check my recent video. So the analysis is there. So this was what I said. Once we break this very resistance trend line here, this very resistance here, we are going to have a retest. So this was the retest that took place, and then we move all the way to this very resistance. So from here, obviously price is going to drop down and do a retest. So but before then this is the update, guys. This is the update, and thank you so much for staying tuned. And please, if you're new to this channel, please I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and again, drop your comment. Let me know what you think about this video and my analysis so far. Okay, so let me know what you think about the video and the analysis so far. Thank you, guys, and have a great day.